I started playing sports when I was probably around 5. Basketball became my main sport once I got a little older. My entire family plays sports. My mom played basketball growing up, and my dad played ice hockey. So we're a very active sport family, so that's really where it comes from. Hi, I'm Nikki Ratner. I'm a junior and I'm majoring in communications with a minor in sport management. When I came to Rutgers, most of my grade had taken a gap year, so I came in knowing nobody, and I actually think that was the biggest blessing because I was able to make friends without leaning on the people that I was comfortable with. What stood out to me from Rutgers was the large Jewish community, as I'm an Orthodox Jew. My doctor's nearby, in-state tuition because, in-state tuition, and my family nearby. I found my community through club basketball. We're all similar to a certain extent, and to go out of my comfort zone, to go to club basketball by myself, not knowing anybody, was the scariest thing ever, but it was the best thing ever because now those girls on the team are like my best friends. Having a hearing impairment affects playing basketball tremendously because sometimes I miss call plays, sometimes it's hard for me to hear the refs, but I've found ways to acclimate to that. My teammates will always make sure that I know what play we're doing, so we'll do hand gestures or we'll do like some signal, or everybody on the bench will scream the play that we're doing to make sure that I know what's going on. Some misconceptions that people have about the hearing impaired is that it's a one size fit all. And the truth is, it's not. Even if you can't see or if you can't tell if somebody's hearing impaired or deaf, you should still make sure to be accommodating, kind, and patient. Some of the services that I have found helpful from the Office of Disabilities for the hearing impaired is a note-taking app. I record on a device and then someone from the Office of Disability transcribes the notes. Another accommodation, they offer this little device called a mini mic that you can hand to your professors, and they will clip it onto their shirt, and it connects to your hearing aids or implants, and it goes directly to the individual who's hearing impaired's ears. So Rutgers has helped me pursue what I want to do from two main aspects: the athletic internships that I've been doing, which led me to my job now at the Big Ten Network, as well as club basketball. So I've learned from other people on the team what internships to get, where I can find them. Where I see myself after graduation is working for the New York Knicks, the best of both worlds of sports and communications.